Hello. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to use 3 acupuncture points to get rapid release from stress and anxiety. It seems we can't escape stress. Finances, work, health, relationships, obligations, politics, security, and other issues can be sources of stress. Any one of these can cause feelings of stress and anxiety. I'm going to show you how to use 3 acupuncture points to feel better fast. These points have been helping people manage stress for thousands of years. It is believed that these points work by reducing nervous system overload. I will also give you my top pick for an herbal stress relief formula that has been helping people for over 1,100 years. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm certified in acupoint physical medicine. I've helped thousands of people live healthier and happier lives, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos come out. The easiest and most convenient point to relieve stress and anxiety is Heart 7. Heart 7 is known as Spirit Gait. In addition to promoting relaxation, Heart 7 is used to help with chest pain, irritation, poor memory, and rapid heartbeat. In Asia, Heart 7 has been used to help persons with autism. To find Heart 7, look at the palm of your hand. Notice there's a crease right at the wrist point. There may be a couple of creases. If there are, just pick the crease that's closest to your palm. Follow along the crease until you reach the pinky side. Right at the end of the crease, if you push in, there'll be a tender spot there. It might be slightly higher, slightly to the left or right, or slightly lower. But there will be a spot that is a little bit more tender. That's Heart 7. This point is best stimulated by tapping with your finger or with the round end invitation if you have one. It might look like this. Or remember, this point is stimulated with a gentle tapping, which should not be painful or unpleasant. Tap rapidly 5 times, rest for a count of 5, then repeat 4 more times. Now find Heart 7 on your other hand and repeat. During or shortly after stimulating Heart 7, you may notice a sensation of heat or energy in your hand, arm, head, or face. This is normal and temporary. After stimulating Heart 7, take a few deep breaths and see if you don't notice some heat in your face or ears. The next point that I recommend to relieve stress is conception vessel 17. Now there's a difference between an acupuncture meridian, which is a line running this way on the body, and a vessel. You can think of a meridian like a river or stream that transports energy or chi from one area of the body to another to achieve harmony. You can think of a vessel like a lake or a reservoir. Acupuncture vessels are said to collect, conserve, and increase vital energy. Activating conception vessel 17 helps build and restore your internal energy. Conception vessel 17 is known as center chest, and in addition to treating stress, it is used to help with heart palpitations, chest pains, asthma, insufficient lactation, and to soothe breathing difficulties. Conception vessel 17 is located at the midline of your chest between your nipples or where your nipples used to be. Press into this area and find a spot that is sensitive, tender, or painful. That is conception vessel 17. Conception vessel 17 is stimulated by rubbing or pulsing on it 5 times rapidly, taking a break for a count of 5, and repeating 4 more times. If you use your finger, it might look like this. If you use a Tei Shin, it might look like this. After stimulating conception vessel 17, you may notice a sensation of heat or energy in your head, chest, or pelvis. This is normal and temporary. My favorite herbal formula for treating stress and anxiety is Free and Easy Wanderer. In traditional herbal medicine, the name of the formula often describes the most pronounced effect. Free and Easy Wanderer refers to how a 10-year-old feels on a sunny day without a care in the world. Free and Easy Wanderer has been used for centuries to promote an overall feeling of well-being, help balance hormones, support alertness and mental clarity. Free and Easy Wanderer is very popular, and once you give it a try, you'll understand why. I've put a link below so you can get more information about Free and Easy Wanderer. Yin Tang is the third and perhaps most powerful acupuncture point for stress and anxiety. Yin Tang is known as the Hall of Impressions. In addition to treating stress, Yin Tang is used to reduce eye strain, headaches, and sinus issues. Yin Tang has been used to reduce all types of pain and improve upper body strength. Yin Tang is located between the inner ends of the eyebrows on a bony prominence called the glabella. Yin Tang is best treated with a gentle tapping motion. Tap rapidly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times, like this. After activating Yin Tang, you may notice a sensation of heat or energy in your eyes, ears, face, or head. This is therapeutic, normal, and temporary. These 3 points are intended to reduce nervous system overload and allow you to more calmly face and handle the sources of stress in your life. Please feel free to comment below on any conditions you would like me to address in future videos. Till next time, this is Dr. Baritz signing off, yours for Health Naturally.